A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to class 6th. Today we are going to take first chapter of our maths, that is knowing our numbers. This chapter is actually a walkthrough to what you have learned in class 5th. So let's revise as well as learn some new concepts. Knowing our numbers. Topics to be covered in this chapter are: first, digits and their place value; second, comparing numbers; third, naming numbers in Indian and as well as international system of numeration. Now, place value. What do you understand by place value? Can you explain the ideas behind place value? Why is it so important? Let's find out in next slide. As we know, all numbers are made from digits. Each digit in its right place gives a number its value. Then what are these digits? These digits are either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. The number 146 is made up with 3 digits 6, 4 and 1. Now how do you know the value of this number? Say it with me loud: 146. It itself gives us a clue about the place value of these digits as 100. That means 1 is at 100 place. 40, that means 4 is at 10's place. 6, that is 6 is at 1's place. So each digit has a place and each place has a value. Now, next topic of this chapter is how to compare numbers. Rule number 1: how to compare the numbers with same number of digits. If the numbers have same number of digits, then number with greater number of digits is always greater. For example, if we want to compare 746 and 76, then 746 having 3 digits and 76 is having 2 digits. So number with 3 number of digits 746 is greater than 76. Now rule 2: if both the numbers have same number of digits, then start comparing digits from left. The number whose leftmost digit is greater is greatest. If it happens that leftmost digits are again same, then compare the next digit from the left, second digit from the left, and similarly keep on comparing. For example, 6078 is less than 7019. And in numbers 54,740 and 51,760, in both these numbers, leftmost digits are 5, which are same. Then we move to the next digit from the left, that is 4 and 1. Digit 4 is greater than 1. So number 54,740 is greater than 51,760. Now compare the given numbers and check your answers from the next slide. Check your answers from this slide and evaluate how much have you learnt. Now we have reached to the third topic of this presentation, that is naming numbers in Indian system of numeration. In Indian system, we start grouping the numbers from right in group of 3 and further in group of 2. The place value chart have been separated into groups called periods, and these periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. We can learn this like in an Indian system of numeration, each period have family of members, and first period, that is one's family, have 3-member family. Thousands, lakhs and crores, all periods have 2-member families. We can learn place value chart for Indian system of numeration easily by considering that this Indian system of numeration have different families, and each family have some members. First family have 3 members and rest all families have 2 members only. First family, that is ones family, have 3 members and those are ones, tens and hundreds. Second family is of thousands and this family have 2 members, thousands and 10,000s. Third family is of lakhs and the members are lakhs and 10 lakhs. Fourth family is of crores and this family have 2 members, crores and 10 crores. Reading numbers according to Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, periods such as ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. are used so that number can be easily read. Let us read the number according to Indian system of numeration. For reading number, first put the number in their respective places and then put commas after each period and then read the number. So this number is read as 11 crore 54 lakh 8,453. This is another example. In this also, first we write the number in place value chart and put commas after each period. And then this number is read as 45 crore 78 lakh 33,228. International system of numeration. Place value chart according to the international system of numeration. In international system, we start grouping the numbers from right in group of 3. These are called periods and we put commas or space after each period to make the number easily readable. In this, each family, that is period, have 3 members, that like ones family have 3 members, ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands family have 3 members, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000s. And millions family have 3 members, million, 10 millions and 100 millions. And this goes on like this only. Now, how to read the numbers according to international system of numeration. In international system of numerations, each period, that is family, have 3 members. And these families are ones, thousands, millions, billions, etc. They have 3 members each. Let's read the number given below. First, put the number in their respective places in place value chart. Then put commas after each period and this number is read as 115,408,453. Now the question is, how to draw comparison between Indian and international system of numeration. Like how many thousands make a million? For this, first we write both the place value chart one above the another and then write 1 million in the place value chart. Now in 1 million there are 6 zeros and in thousands there are 3 zeros. We want to convert 1000 into 1 million. For this, we need to multiply 1000 by 1000 to get 1 million. So 1 million have 1000 thousands. These are the questions for home assignment. Do these questions carefully in your notebooks. This is all what we have in the first part of this chapter. We will come with some other topics in the part 2 of this chapter. Thank you.